Hello everyone, this is my review of these earplugs for kids. These earplugs is for kids with small canals about ages 6 to 12. There's two sets of earplugs that comes in the pack, and it comes with a nice little case that you can put it in, like a travel case with a ring clip so you can clip it onto your keychain so you can have it handy when you ever need it. These earplugs are good in helping keep your child from noisy areas or being disturbed when there's a lot of noise, construction going on, or even in traveling to help prevent the pressure buildup in the ears so they can be more comfortable traveling at high altitudes in the aircraft. So I highly recommend these earplugs, and I hope this review helps.